So my pan is ready. And I want to start cooking it. And the purpose, the process differs with everybody else. So this, for me, what I do, I cook them one by one. This is where maybe somebody else can do it differently, whereby they put like 3 or 4 chapatis at once. But I like doing them one by one. Take it, oil it on one side, turn it. Look how good they look. Look how good they're raising with the layers. You see? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna put a little bit oil over here. Beautiful. This is because of the oil that we put inside the dough when we were spreading it. So beautiful. So yummy. Look. Because of the thinness of the chapati, it's gonna get ready even in the inside part of it, whereby the dough is a little bit, just a little bit thick. It's not. It's just exactly how it's supposed to be. It's not because it's not thick. So my pan is not really hot right now, but that's the whole process that's supposed to be happening right now. Thank you very much.